Hello everybody, Mr. Heap here, and today I'm going to talk about naming variables. Now when we name variables, we have to do it in a specific way. It's very, very important in Python to name variables the correct way. Now, when we're using one word variables, it's pretty easy. The goal in, one word or more, is to make the most specific name for what that variable represents. So if I wanted to count the number of kittens, I would say kittens equals 5. Now that's pretty basic. We're just counting the number of kittens. But if we need to get more specific and have more than one word in the variable, we cannot have any spaces. So if I wanted to do area triangle equals 50, if I ran that, it's going to say there's an error. It doesn't understand why there's two words here. So what we typically do in Python is do an underscore. So we hit shift and our minus button, our subtraction, and that creates an underscore. So we say area underscore triangle equals 50. And now when we run it, there's not an error. Nothing prints out, of course, because it doesn't print, it just saves, so it doesn't tell it to do anything. Now when we do it, it should print out 50. So whenever you name a variable with multiple words in it, use an underscore so that it works in Python.